What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to route audio out from MPC Beats to Cubase so you can actually process and do the mixing in Cubase. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in.
Let's go now and lose ourselves. Shake up all of our strength. Dive deep down the pain, drowning your love for days.
Okay, let me open up this MPC Beats. If you guys don't know what MPC Beats is, it's actually a free DAW where you can program. You can do pretty much anything. I really like the sampling functions in MPC Beats, and you can program beats and stuff like that. It's really a cool DAW, and it works as a plugin as well, so that's why I like to use it. So I have programmed a beat, and let's hear it. Okay, I know it's a world-class beat. I know you guys like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I route these audios to Cubase so that I can process them in Cubase. So I'm gonna go to this pad mixer here. Okay, so when you go to pad mixer, you can see all these faders, knobs, output, and so on. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna route this track to its own stereo output. So here, since it says output program, I'm gonna click on it and go to stereo output, select 1 and 2. I'm gonna go here and select 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Okay, why there's two channels here? Because it's a stereo output. Okay, you can also have a mono output, but I like to work with the stereo one. Okay, so here, once you go to stereo output, now I'm gonna hit play, but you won't hear any audio except for the kick. Okay, the reason is because we haven't enabled the output 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So we have to enable it by coming to this right zone here and click on activate output. I'm gonna select all these guys here. Okay, now when I go back to Cubase, you can see it here that all these output is enabled, and I'm gonna hit play. Okay, output 5 and 6, I think I don't have anything for the 5 and 6. Okay, so there's no track here in 5 and 6, that's why there's no audio. Okay, cool. You don't have to worry about the output 5 and 6. Even if there's no audio there, that's fine, just leave it there. If you remove this, the other 7, 8, 9, and 10 will not be rendered out, so we don't want that. So okay, what we're gonna do now is just render this guy. So I'm gonna click on this event, press shift, right click, go to render in place, render with current setting. Okay, now we got this cool beat now rendered for us to process in Cubase. Alright, okay, I'm gonna mute this guy here. I'm gonna mute all of them, and I'm gonna hit play. I've seen a lot of other videos where people route it to group and audio track, and that's actually it's possible as well, but it's a long process. So I like to use it this way. This can save a lot of time. So if you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. And do check out my new song, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.